In this lesson, we're going to go over the affiliate platform that we use to create our affiliates and to actually drive affiliates to get us sales so that we can pay out commissions and have it all organized. If you're unsure about what affiliate marketing is when you have like an influencer on Instagram or any type of social media platform really, that they have a certain amount of following and they want to promote your product, but they want to get a commission for every item that they sell. And the way to do that is to have an app set up that will track their progress via a discount code or even a link. So when anyone purchases anything through a discount code or a link, they will receive credit on our system's backend, and then we can find out how much to pay them in commission every month. So the app is called Affiliate by Seacom app. So the app is called Affiliate by Seacom app, and we're going to jump right into the computer here. And as you see, I got it open right here on our Shopify dashboard. So you see Affiliate by Seacom app here. We're going to click that. And once we get inside the dashboard, I want you to kind of see what we got going on. So once we get inside the dashboard, I just want to show you what's going on. It's pretty self-explanatory as far as setting up affiliates and coupons. If you click affiliates and coupons over here, or actually if you click on programs. So if you click on programs over here, you'll be able to create your affiliate program, and you'll be able to specify how much commission percentage every person is going to receive from every sale. As you see, we have a 10% commission set up for our From Home Fitness store. So we also have 23 affiliates that have already signed up. So what I do is I put a sign up link once I get all the information in my footer of the site in the navigation, so that they can just click on affiliates. Let me just show you what that looks like so you can see what I mean. So we're here on the site, it's loaded up, we're scrolled all the way down to the footer, and you see I've added a link here that says become an affiliate. So if I click this link, it's going to bring me to my own affiliate page that I have set up with a nice picture and I set up on the back end of the app. But I made it look very nice, and I made sure to put in all my details here. So 10% of every sale, 30 days is like the cookie time frame basically from someone clicking the link or even using a discount code to receive that commission. And then you just kind of sign up for the affiliate program right here if you were an affiliate. So they would sign up with their first, last name, email, create their own password, their Instagram and Facebook and stuff, and then they'd click join. And then they automatically get a series of emails that lets them know whether or not they were approved for the program. You have to go ahead and approve these people in the program beforehand on the affiliates and coupons area over here. So once you see your affiliates here, you can see whether or not you want to actually approve these affiliates. So we want to make sure that we look through each one and make sure if I click on view profile, we can see their email address and all the stuff they filled out in that form that I just showed you. So this person didn't put their Instagram or Facebook. This person didn't put their Instagram or Facebook. This person put their Facebook page and their Instagram here. So if you click on the Instagram, you'll be able to go to the Instagram and see it's not available. So that's not a real person either. So you just want to filter through because there's going to be a lot of websites that come in and try to just become an affiliate. As you see here, there's probably a bunch, and you can deny or accept these people based on if they qualify to be part of your program. Now the best thing is once you go to the dashboard and you scroll down, you can start to see the progress that we have. So lately, this is like I think only the last 30 days, right? So the last 30 days we generated 3 sales just off of commissions, just off of the affiliate program. So it's cool. It's like free traffic that we got that we wouldn't have got before if we didn't have the program set up. And the program is free to have set up on your store. So it's really cool. You see we got this person, Stacy, generated 2 orders off of 6 clicks that generated us $81.13 in sales, which means I get a commission of $8.11. And then you can manage the commissions and payouts all within the app as well. It's a really, really cool app. I'm not going to dive completely into the app. I just wanted to show you kind of how to set it up, how to have it working. But you can kind of look through, they have a bunch of tools and videos that show you actually how to use it in their own dashboard here. As you see, they have the, grow affiliate tools. So you kind of just want to go into here and just check out what they got going on. You can also like upload your content into here so that all your affiliates have access to marketing content to promote the products or to promote on their own platforms. So it's a really cool way to generate some free traffic that will, it's not necessarily free, but it's free until you get a sale. So if you get a sales, then you pay out the commission, but it's okay, you got the sales. So, this is a good way to kind of add it into the mix of doing your Facebook advertising along with your Instagram or a Facebook influencer that has, as part of the affiliate program. So this is a good way, if you don't have a large budget to start out with ads or anything like that, to start an affiliate program of people that want to represent your brand long term, that are going to promote it as much as they would like to promote it to their followers and receive a commission for all the orders that they generate on the side. So I hope that clears everything up with the affiliate program and what the affiliate program actually is and how to incorporate it to your actual store. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.